Welcome to this instructional video for the Redexim Verti-Cut. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the most important procedures and tips for effectively using this machine. Safety instructions. This video does not replace the manual. For safe operation, always read and fully understand the operator's manual before using the machine, and follow all safety instructions. Only operate the Verti-Cut on grass surfaces. Always switch off the tractor engine during adjustments and repairs. Wear appropriate protective clothing, such as steel toe cap boots and fitted workwear. Visual check. Before using the machine, always carry out an inspection for any visible damage or defects, ensuring everything is tightened correctly before commencing any work. It's equally important to conduct regular checks during operation, as loose components can not only reduce performance, but also pose a safety risk. Connecting and leveling. Connect the Verti-Cut to the tractor using the 3-point linkage by carefully reversing the tractor's lifting arms towards the machine. Remove the connecting pins and ensure the correct size pin is used for each hole. Using the selected mounting holes allows the tractor to lift the Verti-Cut effectively and helps it follow the contours of the ground. Lift the machine slightly above the surface and store the storage legs. Then gently move it back and forth until it is properly centered behind the tractor. Secure the position using the tractor sway link pins, limiting sideways movement to a maximum of 10 centimeters or 4 inches. Finally, check that the tractor's drop links are level to keep the Verti-Cut horizontal when lifting and lowering. Machine angle and working depth adjustment. To adjust the working depth, simply turn the depth adjuster at the front of the machine. This raises the front roller evenly to the desired height. Next, lower the Verti-Cut to the ground and adjust the tractor's top link until the frame sits square at 90 degrees and is parallel to the surface. This ensures the rake operates at the correct angle. Dip method. To test the working depth, engage the PTO and lower the Verti-Cut into the surface. Then, lift the Verti-Cut and turn off the PTO. Inspect the results and adjust to suit. Start procedure. Drive forward with the Verti-Cut lifted off the ground at a maximum speed of 7 kilometers per hour or 4 miles per hour. Engage the PTO at around 400 revolutions per minute. Then lower the machine quickly but in a safe and controlled manner onto the surface. Once working, increase the PTO speed to a maximum of 540 revolutions per minute and adjust your forward speed accordingly. Stop procedure. Reduce your speed and lower the tractor's RPM. While driving forward, gently raise the Verti-Cut off the ground. Avoid reversing or making sharp turns with the machine still engaged. This can damage the machine. Thank you for watching this instructional video on the Redexim Verti-Cut. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more, don't forget to consult the manual in the black tube on the machine or at redexim.com. And of course, your local Redexim representative is always available to help and ensure you are well supported.